Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix can't take screenshot on WhatsApp due to security policy. So first step you need to do is to open WhatsApp, and if you try to take a screenshot of the profile picture, you are unable to do that. And you can see on the top there is an arrow, couldn't capture screenshot. So how you can fix that? You need to go back and you need to click profile picture here and you need to take a screenshot here. So once you done that, you need to go back and you need to open that picture in your gallery. So once you open here, you can see that, and then you simply need to click on edit, click on edit again, and then you simply need to crop that like this. Once it is done, you simply need to click on tick mark on the top right, and now you have a screenshot of the profile picture. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.